Still coughing after a cold? Listen to this. If you had a cold or any other respiratory infection 3 to 8 weeks ago, you may be experiencing a post-viral or post-infectious cough. They are typically caused by one of these two things: post-nasal drip, when mucus drains into your throat, or inflammation, swollen airways related to the initial respiratory infection. Should you be worried? Not right away. But if you have ongoing symptoms such as fever, body aches, chills, fatigue, or you start coughing up blood, seek medical care.